World Cup food truck menu ideas that can actually boost your sales over the next couple of months. Now, with the World Cup bringing together fans from all over the globe, it's a great opportunity for food truck owners to get creative with their menus and potentially increase their sales. So today, we're looking at 10 World Cup inspired food truck menu ideas from different countries. I'll explain what each one is and typically the cost to make and the kind of profits the food truck owner can expect. So welcome. A lot of great information on how the business side of food truck entrepreneurship. Now, these are in no particular order, but we're going to go from number 10 down to number 1. All of these are fan favorites. It just depends upon what you truly want to make and maybe what you're skilled at and already good at making. Number 10, Argentina. They are known for their beef empanadas. Now, empanadas, if you're not sure, are pastry pockets filled with seasoned beef, onions, spices, and sometimes olives or even hard-boiled eggs. They're handled easy to use while we're watching the match, and perfect for food trucks to sell. It is a portable item that's very simple to eat. Now, average cost to produce is around 75 cents to $1.25 each. Now, average selling price is between $4 to $6 each. Now, potential profit margin could be in 70 to 80% and upwards. So your pro tip on this one is you want to offer a combo of 3 empanadas with like a dipping sauce to increase your average ticket sale. Number 9, Brazil. And I hope I get this right. Pollo de Queijo. These are Brazilian cheese bread bites made with tapioca flour and cheese. Now, they're naturally gluten-free and incredibly popular as a snack. Now, your average cost to produce these are around 20 to 40 cents each, but average selling price can be between $1 to $2 each. For 6, you want to go around $7 to $8, and your potential profit margin is around 75 to 85%. Now, pro tip for these are serve them warm and fresh. The aroma alone can attract customers if you're at a certain event celebrating the World Cup. Number 8, Mexico. Street tacos. Now, street tacos remain one of the most profitable food truck items in the industry. Traditional options include carne asada, chicken, pork, and even a barbecue version. Average cost can produce around 80 cents to $1.50 each. Average selling price is around $3 to $5. Potential profit margin is 65 to 75%. Now, here's a quick pro tip. Create a World Cup taco trio featuring 3 different types of proteins. That way people get a variety and they actually share it, and that can increase more sales. Number 7 is Germany. Of course, Bratwurst. Bratwurst served on a toasted roll with mustard or grilled onions is simple, fast, and extremely profitable. So the average cost to produce Bratwurst in this style is $1.25 to maybe $2 per unit. Average selling price could be $7 to $10 upwards. Potential profit margin between 70 to 80%. Now, a pro tip is you want to offer loaded Bratwurst with sauerkraut and specialty toppings for premium pricing. Number 6 is England. This would be the traditional fish and chips route. A classic British favorite, of course, crispy battered fish paired with seasoned fries is comfort food that appeals to almost anyone. Now, your average cost to produce is about $2.50 to $4. Selling price could be $10 to $15. And of course, your potential profit margin on this is about 60 to 70% range. Now, here's a pro tip for this one. You want to use cod alternatives if local seafood pricing becomes too expensive. Yes, cod does have a tendency to be a little bit pricey, and yes, that is the traditional fish used for fish and chips, but there's always a handful of different fish alternatives. Number 5, Italy. Now, this is the Arancini. Arancini is a fried rice balls stuffed with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Now, they are unique and often become a conversation starter at events. The average cost to produce is around 75 to $1.25, 75 cents to about $1.25. Average selling price, though, can upwards of $5 each. But you want to also sell these in pairs or sets. Potential profit margin 70 to 80%. Here's another pro tip. Offer multiple flavored options and then sell them as a sample pack. And I hope I said that correctly. Our crispy potatoes topped with spicy sauces and seasonings as well. Now, this actually think of them as Spain's answers to like the loaded fries that we have here in the United States. The average cost to produce is around $1 to $2. Average selling price is $7 to $10. Potential profit margin could be 75 to up to 80%. And your pro tip on this is you want to add some pulled pork or even grilled chicken as a premium topping on these. Number 3 is France. These would be gourmet crepes. This is more of a sweet side. Crepes can actually be sweet or savory, but you want to offer incredible flexibility for you on this one. Popular flavors would be like Nutella, strawberries, even ham and cheese, or even caramelized apples. Now, your average cost to produce is around $2. Your average sale price could be in upwards of $12. Potential profit margin of 75 to maybe 85%. Now, here's a pro tip. The sweet crepes often photographed well are generated on social media shares. So if you have sweet ones, have your customers take pictures of them and say, hey, can you upload them on our Instagram account? Tell us what you think. Give us your opinion. Number 2, United States. That would be the loaded hot dog. Simple, fast, and incredibly profitable. Now, often toppings, you want to offer toppings similar to different countries participating in the World Cup. That makes it a premium item. Your average cost on this to produce is around $1 to $2. You have an average selling price of upwards of $10. Now, your potential profit margin could be 70 to 80%. Now, pro tip, create a World Cup dog flight. This would actually feature mini dogs with international toppings. So this would be almost like a sampler flight, if you will. And that way you can offer a variety of tasted the different flavors as well. Number 1 is Netherlands. Now, this is the Stroopwafel dessert station. Now, these are thin waffle cookies filled with a caramel syrup. Now, they're easy to prepare, by the way, and super unique, and actually pair perfect with even a cup of coffee, so you can upsell. The average cost to make is between 50 cents to $1 per unit. The average selling price could be upwards of $6. Potential profit margin is 75% to 85%. Here's a pro tip. You want to drizzle them with chocolate and serve them warm immediately to the customer for a premium pricing. So the World Cup isn't just about a sporting event. It's a chance to bring international flavors to your customers as well. So you want to create a menu that really stands out. And for every other food truck that is at the event, you will have unique items to taste. So if you have any questions about this, let us know down below, and I'll see you on our next video.